Row 1. Text, Notepad window, text editor, editing. Remember, this is not teaching man teacher. It is useful for recalling, when exam coming man student. Just close eyes eye and listen. Based on G scheme for electronics engineering group. Subject, microcontroller, 17,534. These are mostly important questions which is always repeat. Form top to end it reduce repeated changes. X question 1 is more important than 2 in notes. And note warning sign that this is not all chapter.
Microcontroller Chapter 5. 1. B. With the help of neat diagram, describe the timer modes of 8051 microcontroller. ANS1 mark for each mode operating modes of timer. The timer may operate in any of the 4 modes that are determined by M1 and M0 bit in TMOD register. Mode 0. In mode 0 the register THX is used as 8-bit counter, and TLX is used as 5-bit counter. The pulse I/P is divided by 3210 so that TH counts. Hence original oscillator frequency is divided by 38410. The timer flag is set when THX rolls over from FF to 00H. Mode 1. It is similar to mode 0 except TLX is configured as a full 8-bit counter. Hence pulse input is divided by 25610, so that TH counts. The timer flag is set when THX rolls over from FF to 00H. Mode 2. In this mode only TLX is used as 8-bit counter. THX is used to hold the value, which is loaded in TLX initially. Every time TLX overflows from FFH to 00H the timer flag is set, and the value from THX is automatically reloaded in TLX register. Mode 3. Microcontroller Chapter 5. 2. In this mode, timer 0 becomes 2 completed separate 8-bit timers. TL0 is controlled by gate arrangement of timer 0, and sets timer 0 flag when it overflows. TH0 receives the timer clock under the control of TR1 bit, and sets TF1 flag when it overflows. Timer may first be used in mode 0, 1 and 2 with one important exception, that no interrupt will be generated by the timer when the timer 0 is using TF1 overflow flag. B. List the priority of interrupts of 8051 microcontroller, with respective interrupt destinations. ANS, for MKS for proper answer. All the 5 interrupts of 8051 has got different priorities. Interrupts are serviced according to its priority order. From the table above, you can see that INT0 has the highest priority of 1 and timer 0 comes next with priority value 2. The order of priority works like this. Consider a case where 2 interrupts are raised at the same time, one from INT0 and another from timer 1 interrupt. In such a case, processor would serve the interrupt according to its priority. In our case INT0 is of high priority, priority order 1, and timer 1 interrupt is of low priority, priority order 4. So processor will execute ISR of INT first, and then later, after finishing ISR of INT0, processor will begin executing ISR of timer 1 interrupt. Explanation not compulsory. A. Draw the format of IE register of 8051 microcontroller, and describe the function of each bit. ANS IE register format 2 marks, explanations of each bit 2 marks. Microcontroller Chapter 5. 3. E. Describe the alternative functions of port 0, port 2 and port 3 in 8051. ANS, alternate 2 functions 2 MKS each, port 3. B. Draw and explain the format of IP register of 8051 mic. ANS, 2M format, 2M, explanation.